Hello my fellow vegans, today I'm going to be showing you what I have for breakfast. It's going to be some vegan healthy inspo, gluten-free as well, because I am struggling with my food at the moment. Sorry, with my belly mainly. I think I might have IBS. It's not self-diagnosed, my doctor said. So I'm eliminating gluten for the week. That is the vibe. So, for breakfast, I'm going to be having a fruity granola-y pot kind of thing. There we go. There's hardly any left because my mum always helps herself to all my stuff. But this is the yogurt that I use. It's the Coconut Collaborative, dairy-free, it's gluten-free, natural unsweetened coconut yogurt. It's really blooming yummy. Some strawberries and there's some hummus in there. Just take that out. Yeah, got some strawberries. Ideally, I shouldn't have got the one in plastic. And some blueberries. These are all meant to be kind of good if you've got IBS, I've been reading anyway, and if you're on a low FODMAP or diet or something. This is the granola, it's Peng. My mum has been helping herself to this as well. It's really good. So even if you're not gluten-free, you're just vegan, it's so yummy. Yeah, it's the Paleo Foods Co. Berry and Almond Grain. They've got another flavour as well. I think it's got pistachio in, which I was also tempted by, but this one is the one. So yeah, I just mix all these together and I have a little pot, so I'll show you now. Okay, let's go. Because it's better to have smaller meals, I have this really small bowl, and I tend to actually have like 4 little meals a day. Sometimes I will have 3 because I'll have a huge dinner. Because I just can't help it. There's nothing more satisfying than a huge dinner. I'm gonna bend down. Oh, I should probably have a chopping board for this, shouldn't I? Let me get one. I know I'm in a suit jacket. I'm not going anywhere. It's a Sunday. But I was feeling a little bit, you know, it's rainy. I'm home alone. I want to look pretty and film something nice for my lovely people that watch me. All 149 of you. I've got 149 subscribers. If you want to make that 150, I would really appreciate it. I love my YouTube. I'm currently in the process of looking for a job, and it's really sad because I just want YouTube to be my job. But no, I'm happy to work for a cool, ethical vegan company. That'd be quite fun. If anyone knows of any vegan jobs in Bristol, Brighton or London, hit me up, please. I will work for you. I'm good at video editing, blogging, writing, all that jazz. So yeah, I'm just cutting up quite a few strawberries. You actually don't really need a lot. Strawberries might be a bit expensive at first to get, but you only use like 3 strawberries for this bowl. Well, I do anyway, you can use more if you want. Oh, standing up is painful. Into little. I don't think I'm gonna have enough of this yogurt left. My mum has said, just helps herself. Although she does buy it, so at the moment she's entitled to it more than I am, so shut up. Yeah, this is what it looks like. It's so yummy. See, look, I don't put a lot in it. There we go. So I put the granola in first, and then I chop what's left of my yogurt. I usually put a lot more than this. Oh boy. Oh boy, I definitely don't have enough. What a mong. Can I mix vegan custard? No. Strawberries. Few blueberries. Ideally mix it in with a spoon if you don't want to scratch your bowl. But I'm using a knife because I am in the mood for causing havoc today. And there we go. Put my little heart spoon. It obviously looks a lot nicer when you've got chia seeds sprinkled all over it, but let's go. Now you get the pleasure of eating with me. Oh, I'm so excited. The granola is just amazing. Why is this tripod moving? Gluten-free, healthy, filling, nutritious. It's everything you want. Easy and quick to make as well. I will wash this down with the chamomile tea and some water. If you want some other quick and easy recipes, please watch and subscribe and like and comment. This video was weird. Bye.